Hey guys, welcome to segment 30 of Droppin' It Live. This is a big segment. It's the 30th segment. I'm super stoked on that. I'm sorry I couldn't go live yesterday, but I'm here today. Gonna bring you some drop-in knowledge on the oils for the brain, oils on the brain. So, gosh, there's so much to talk about, but this is part of one of your body systems that is great to support, right? We want to support the health and wellness of our brain because it's pretty much the computer of our whole body. So we want to make sure that we take good care of it, right? So the brain basically not only processes the sensory stimulus that we're receiving, but it also sends the appropriate signal, right? It tells our body basically how to behave in response to that signal. So it's really important to support that, right, for optimal body health and wellness. It's also the center of our central nervous system. It's a main component of our central nervous system, and that corresponds with every action of our body. So it's a really important organ in our body that we want to make sure that we maintain, right? It's also responsible for our thoughts, for our memory, and it is also the seat of our emotion. So lots of stuff going on. So the stuff I wanted to just mention briefly are some of the supplements that you can use to support your healthy brain function. That would be like the Ninja Red, high antioxidant rich drink that I've talked about in several segments before, but that's going to support healthy cognitive brain function as well as, healthy eyesight, normal joint function, nutrient rich, all of that stuff, okay? Energy. Sulfurzyme is great because it has the MSM, so that's important for the cells. Super B, Super Cal, any the multivitamin that we have, those are going to be great for healthy brain support. And then some of the omega Gi's, I can't leave that one off, right? That's our fatty acid, omega rich fish oils that are in a supplement. It's fantastic. It's got essential oils in it, so you don't get any of that fishy taste to it. It's amazing. So that's really great for brain support as well. As far as like cell regeneration goes, really great for that. So omegas are really important. Now, if we're just going to talk about essential oils and how they can be supportive, they do that in a number of ways in the brain. So some of them may be oxygenating to the brain. Some of them may just be stimulating to the brain. So you're basically going to be supporting the healthy brain activity through the stimulation. And then some of them are actually able to cross the blood-brain barrier, which is really incredible. It's very difficult for even prescription drugs to actually pass that blood-brain barrier. And the fact that essential oils high in sesquiterpenes can do that naturally is phenomenal. So that's kind of the ways that the essential oils would work to support healthy brain function. So some of them would include black pepper, grapefruit, fennel, Valor, which is a blend, clary sage, Dorado azul. Those are all really stimulating. Peppermint, did I say that? Those are all really stimulating oils. And then the ones that are high in sesquiterpenes, which is a fantastic compound, therapeutic molecule found in the oils for brain function that can cross that blood-brain barrier, are oils like vetiver, cedarwood, patchouli, which is a free oil this month, might I add, if you're a Young Living member, German chamomile, myrrh, melissa, sandalwood, frankincense. Those are all really great for crossing the blood-brain barrier. So there's ways that you can use the essential oils. One of them is, of course, aromatically, and that is one of the best ways, especially if you're targeting emotional response with the body. So just putting a drop in the palm of your hand, like we've said before, cupping over your nose and inhaling at least 3 deep inhalations through your nose. Those molecules are going to trigger that signal, right? And it's going to fire that signal to the limbic portion of your brain. And the limbic portion of your brain has, the amygdala, the hypothalamus. Those are areas that you can target through inhaling through your nose. You can also target those areas by applying the oils topically. So topically would be behind the ears, the third eye, the crown, I love to do it at the base of my brainstem. That's a really, really great spot. And you can also target the VitaFlex point that corresponds to the brain, which is your big toe. So you can apply essential oils and stimulate with pressure onto the point on your big toe with the essential oils, and you can have a really profound effect that way. So those are the two ways that I would apply these essential oils, and they're just fantastic. There's a bunch of different blends. There's actually one called Clarity that is really great for stimulating the brain, and it just kind of depends on what support you're looking for. You can Google a bunch of this as well and find out how the essential oils are, why they cross the blood-brain barrier, what they're actually doing, but it's really phenomenal. There's a book, a chemistry book, on essential oils that I love, and there's a lot of info in there, but I'm trying to keep this short for you guys, so little cliff note version here for you guys. So those are ways that I apply the oils. There's also a supplement called MindWise that is phenomenal, that just got reformulated by Young Living, and it comes in these little packet sachets that you can carry in your purse when you're on the go. That is fantastic for healthy mind and brain function, right? Really great supplement right there to be taking internally. And then lemon is great as well if you're looking for like more specific focus. Any of the citrus oils are going to kind of help you focus, lemon in particular, and peppermint oil, right? Okay, so that wraps up the oils on the brain section. I am going to go ahead and raffle off the winner for last week. Last week I covered the cardiovascular system, so I think I'm going to, the respiratory system. So I think what I'm going to do in honor of that is give away a sample of the Breathe Again essential oil, which comes in the pre-roller. It's already, has the carrier oil in it. It's ready to roll. So I'm going to send you a sample of that. So I've got everybody's names in the bucket, and I'm going to pull out the winner. Oh, good. It's Carrie McWilliams King. Congratulations, girl. I'm going to send you some Breathe Again. If you guys comment on this post, now this is a big one, okay, guys? This is a really big one because it's segment 30. So I'm going to do something really big for you guys. And if you comment, you're automatically entered to win, drum roll, a 5 milliliter bottle of Brain Power. Okay, this essential oil is so cool. So it retails for $87, you guys, 87 bucks. Okay, and that's because it is packed with oils that are supportive for healthy brain function, high in sesquiterpenes. So it's got sacred sandalwood, it's got frankincense, lavender, melissa. What else? It's got cedarwood, blue cypress, and I feel like I'm forgetting one. Did I say sacred sandalwood? This is amazing, and it smells phenomenal. Helichrysum is in here as well. So a bunch of single oils in here that support your healthy brain function. So this one is great for applying topically, or inhaling. Okay, so phenomenal giveaway right here, you guys, for segment number 30. So leave a comment, tag your friends, get them to enter as well. I'm going to be raffling this off next week, I believe. I'm either going to do it in the Droppin' It live segment, or I might do a separate giveaway. I'm not quite sure. A separate raffle, I should say. So I will see you guys next week. I'm aiming again for Tuesday, 1 p.m. Hawaiian Standard Time. Peace out, you guys, and happy oiling on your brain. Bye, guys. See you next week.